In this video I will share the top 5 coins I will buy before the Bitcoin halving. So let's go straight into the content. The first coin is LCX. LCX is right now on place 251 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $200 million. And I think it's a very interesting project with a very high potential. I think we have an enormous potential to the upside. I also made much videos about LCX. And LCX is right now in this bullish trend. And we are right now retesting this last demand zone right here where we had the start of this bullish push. And the chance that we could see massive higher prices just from this zone is very high. So for the short and for the long term, I'm very bullish on LCX and I think it's a great coin to buy. And if you want to buy or trade these coins, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies and you can get up to $5,150 bonus with using my link. You will find a link in the description. The second coin is Veracity, and Veracity is right now on place 581 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $50 million. The coin is existent since 2019 and we saw the last all-time high back in 2021. So as you can see from the market cap, we have a lot of potential to the upside. And from the price right now to this last all-time high of Veracity, we have a potential of 1,500%. And I think the chance is also high that we could see even higher prices in the future for Veracity than the last all-time high. And Veracity is also retesting this last demand zone right here. This demand zone was the start of this push to the upside. We broke this whole supply zone to the upside. And right now the chance is also very high that we could see massive higher prices in the near future and continue the bullish trend. So again, for the long term and for the short term, I'm very bullish on Veracity and I think it's a great coin to buy before the halving. The next coin on my list is this AI project OXO. And this project is on place 273 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $250 million. It's a very new AI project and I think the chance that we could see massive higher prices for the whole AI niche is very high. And as you can see, after this bullish push to the upside, we are right now seeing this massive retracement. And if we are using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we first retested this 0.618 Fibonacci. And the chance that we could see a bullish flip in this zone between the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci is very high. And for the long term, I'm also very bullish on this AI project. And also if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. So this project could be an easy 20 to 50x for the future. And especially if the crypto market is moving again to the upside, I think this prices right now is a great chance to get into this altcoin. Place 4 on this list is Phantom, and Phantom is on place 50 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.8 billion. So it's one of the bigger coins in this list, but we still have a lot of potential to the upside. And Phantom is right now, after retesting this last demand zone here multiple times, moving to the upside. Just from the prices right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential over 400%. And I also think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices than the last all-time high. And on the weekly time frame, you can see that we are retesting this last high right here. And the chance that we could see a potential bullish bounce is very high. And also if you're using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we have some support right here at this Fibonacci retracement tool. The 0.618 Fibonacci is on the same level as this last high. So the chance for a bullish trend continuation is very high. And also if you're going on the daily chart, you can see that we are retesting this last demand zone right here. So either if you're on the sideline or if you want to buy some more Phantom coins, I think this kind of prices are a great chance to get into potential long trade. And the last coin on my list is Cadena. Cadena is right now on place 241 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $240 million. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And just from the prices right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential of nearly 3,000%. And I think this is an amazing potential deal for Cadena. So this coin has a lot of potential to the upside. We are still in this accumulation phase and most of the altcoins are already pumping, but Cadena is also in this accumulation phase. So if the whole crypto market is starting its move to the upside again and if we are seeing new all-time highs for Bitcoin, then of course the chance is high that altcoins like Cadena are also exploding to the upside. And as I said, we have a lot of potential to the upside. And I think Cadena is a great project with a very high potential. So I think these prices are right now very cheap for Cadena. So a potential long position is very nice. Of course, we saw this rejection right here at the supply zone. And we also broke under this last supply zone right here, which is not a very bullish sign. But if we are now seeing a bullish return to the upside, then I think the chances high that we could see a massive explosion in the near future. And for the bull run, I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Cadena or the other coins, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, this was my list of the top 5 coins for the halving. I think this coin has a lot of potential to the upside, and I think right now is a great chance to accumulate some more coins. And even though we have larger retracements, don't get shaken out of the market, guys. I will use the potential dips to buy some more coins, and if the bull run really starts, we will make massive gains. But of course, you have to have an adapted risk management and don't invest your money into one coin. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.